I should have stopped where that line was for Okonomiyaki, all the way back there. And I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, there it goes. It's right up there. That is nowhere near where my directions told me to go. It's up there. This is an open mall. Like, somebody, one of the girls said that it was like an outdoor shopping mall or something, and she was not kidding. This is like an outdoor shopping mall, and it's amazing. I just really want food. Maybe go up here. I'm not sure where I'm going. Go up these steps. These are very steep stairs. I'm very confused right now. 3rd floor. Alright. It's so small in here. I feel very, very big taking these steps. Guess we go through here. I don't know what to do. I think this is mine. It's so cool. I think this is mine. That looks really good. It smells really good in here. Man, it looks so good. I'm not sure if this is the right place. It said 3rd floor, so I'm not sure, but I didn't want to walk a lot, so I just came up here. And it looks really good. Oishi. So good. Yum. I think this one is mine right here. That looks so good. I think this is mine. I can't wait to get some. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks really, really good.
On the plate or hot plate?
I told him to put it on the grill and I got the Venice. So good. It smells amazing in here. So is that even mine? I don't know if it's something I believe this is the right place because they said dark 4 and I'm on a dark 4, so it looks so good. Mine, because I'm recording it. This should be mine. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. This is good. It's not cutting. I might use a fork after all. I can't pick it up and eat it. I don't know what I'm doing. That was delicious, and it wasn't the right place, I don't think, but it was really good. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, I am full. I managed to eat most of it, and I'm taking the rest home so I can eat it later. This is dinner, so I can't really spend anything else. I forgot my bags. I gotta go back. I forgot my matcha donut and my spray. Whew. I can't forget that. Alright, I got my bags. Whew. They were so sweet. I was surprised how much I actually ate. Let me get some, Woo. I am surprised on how much I did eat. I ate more than half. Oh boy. This is nice. Okay. I am on my way back. You see the policeman right there? I don't know if y'all seen him because that car drove by right when I said that. I don't know. We could walk around. I don't know. Let's walk. Let's walk around a little bit. Wow. This is amazing. I need to walk all of this food off. And this is like a crepe truck, which is cool. There's so many guys out here. Wow. Oh, they're dessert crepes. Oh, that's cool. They smell really good. Wow. I feel so out of place. There's so many young couples here, and it's not cool. And I'm like over here like meh. I did see another black person, so that was out of the norm for me. Everyone's looking at me like, what is she doing? I'm vlogging. I am vlogging. Okay, I need a purse, but I'm not sure where to get one. There's so many stores. Oh, I don't know. Starbucks. I don't know. Somebody. I don't know. I really don't know. In the street and about to get hit. I just need to get out of the way. It's just a lot going on right now. It's insane. got H&M. Wow, there is a lot going on here. Ah, that is cool. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Got a matcha latte. Oh, is that taiyaki? Oh, that's taiyaki.